Today, we're going to assemble the Rover remote. The only tool you'll need is a small Phillips screwdriver. Let's start by opening the bag and seeing the parts in here. We have 2 Lego beams, a number of Lego pins, and some nuts and machine screws. We're going to start with these 2 pieces of acrylic. You'll see the piece with 2 holes and the piece without 2 holes. Let's stack them up like this. And we'll put these pins in right away to help line things up. Place the pins in the 4 holes. The pins hold everything together squarely so we can build it. You can peel this backing off if you want, or you can leave it on. Next, we're going to take one of our thumbsticks. That goes right there, and we put a screw through the back and line up that hole. Put a nut on the screw and screw it in. Not too tight, just enough to hold it. Now we'll add one more screw opposite and one more nut. That completes the first thumbstick. Now let's install the second. You'll repeat the steps that you just did, putting the thumbstick in place, adding the machine screws and nuts, and tightening them down. Okay, our thumbsticks are in place. Now we're going to take these caps and press them on top. Next, we're going to grab our bit board and place that right on top of the pins. Press the bit board straight down to snap it in place. Now, take the 2 beams and snap them over the bit board. That holds it securely in place. Next, we'll turn it over and grab our battery pack. The battery pack has holes in the back, and we're going to put pins into there. And we'll put 2 pins in there centered with 1 hole between the 2 pins. Then we'll stick that onto the back of the remote. Now we can plug in our power wires to the power connector on the bit board. Make sure to observe polarity, making sure that the red wire lines up with the pin marked plus. That completes the physical build of the Rover remote. For wiring details and code, please see the instructions in the step-by-step tutorial.